Will I gain hands-on experience or work on the live projects during the training? You will get a lot of hands-on experience. Exercise would be given to you. Server access would be given to you. You have a 3 months of complimentary server access. You can go ahead, practice, and you would be able to go through the things. If you're getting some issues, challenges, there is a Telegram group. You can post your questions there, get it answered. If you are getting some issues, you can also jump into the live sessions. And with the trainers also, you can ask the questions, right? Whether you would be able to work onto the live projects during the training. In the training, there is a kind of a project which will go on, that a company code would be there, a plant would be there, under which you would be doing the configuration, right? But we give the more project exposure, we give it in the internship program. So to get the more project exposure, so we first trained you, we first give you the knowledge, okay, during our mastery program, and then the project experience you get it in our internship program. So once you have SAP SD knowledge, we'll consider, okay, now you are trained SD consultant. Then you jump into the internship program. There you will act as there you will be acting as a consultant, and you will be doing that projects also is a simulative projects. Make a note, the live project, anybody saying they will give you a chance. Nobody allows a people to handle their system when you don't have a knowledge. We give you the access to the live project in Sastrageek, but then we pay also to you. You need to go through the 3 rounds of interviews to jump into a live project. Live project mein kaam karna is not halwa. To get one guy onboarded to the client to work on a live project, you need to pass 3 hours, 3 rounds of interviews, which can total, it can be the 4 hours, right? So first you need to have that much of knowledge, that much of experience. If you can clear those 3 rounds, we will pay, people will pay you to work onto the live projects, right? So this internship project is a simulative projects, the projects which we have done earlier in the past, the similar kind of projects we explained to you, similar kind of business we explained to you, and then you need to implement that in the sandbox which has been given to you.